on this particular exercise, not only have we been training 2 of our battle groups, we've also been training with our Indian brothers. It's been amazing. So we know that we've got a very strong shared history and strategic partnership with India.
Indo-UK Joint Exercise Ajay Bharat 7th edition has given an ideal platform for sharing the drills and best practices of operation in urban and semi-urban environment. And the exercise has achieved the desired level of outcomes and has set new standards of jointmanship and interoperability between both the armies. And 14 days of staying together and fighting together has developed a great level of camaraderie, and it will hold us in good stead.